I'm going to straighten my hair and I'm gonna let you join me so we could talk about beauty. This is like the best product ever. Like, I wonder if it's just like an oil mix. It is the Eva NYC Main Magic. If you ever just use, okay, wait, I need to turn off my dryer because it's making a lot of noise. Okay, I'm back. But this product is awesome. Like, do you ever just use leave-in conditioner in your hair and you have like this weird texture to your hair that's like, it's not natural and there's some like cream inside it and it feels like there's like some like gumminess to it. This product literally like changes the texture of your hair. Like, I wonder if it's just like an oil blend, but like it really works. But it's a primer, so I'm using it as heat protectant today. Okay, but the idea of this video came to mind because if you see in my last video, which is the Rolling Stones magazine review, you would see I had like these long nails. Well, I couldn't live with them. I lived with them for like 12 hours and like I couldn't do it. Like, it felt like I was in pain. It felt like I had braces again. I had braces and 2 treatments. Have you ever had braces? Okay. I am finished. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed burning your hair with me. I hope you pulled out your straightening iron and burnt your hair with me. But like, now we look like 2005 teenage Disney Channel stars trying to look angsty in their music videos. I.e., for example, Demi Lovato's Don't Forget. Did you forget everything we ever had? Did you regret? Is it Why Not? It's a music video, blonde hair, Hilary Duff, bangs, it's raining outside, and she's looking through the window. What music video is that? It's not can it be Why Not? I don't know. And then we have Pieces of Me, Ashlee Simpson, 2004, singing into the microphone. Like, if this was the microphone, she's singing, oh, peace. Oh, wait, I literally learned the beginning of the song. Wait. On a Monday, I'm waiting, and by Tuesday, I'm fading, and by Wednesday, I can't sleep. Then the phone rings, I hear you, and the darkness is a clear view, 'cause you've come to rescue me. Oh my god. I can't listen to that song anymore because it's so good, and I'm afraid of overplaying that song because when I first found that song, I was like, who is this girl? I need to know everything about her. I love her big nose. I love her straight hair. I love her black dyed hair. I just want to talk about Ashlee Simpson for the rest of my life. Like, I'm gonna have a college course only speaking about Ashlee Simpson, and there's gonna be like 2 kids in there. There's gonna be 2 teenagers in there, and everyone else is gonna be like over 30 years old, while we share about Ashlee Simpson's career and why it was so impactful, why it worked, and her not escalades, her, like, what does that word even mean? Her endeavors and her public scandals, like the SNL performance. And this is not cool. Okay, peace out. I can't believe I done that again. But, okay, peace out.